Welcome to the myREHAU online training covering the connection of fire sprinkler systems with REHAU RAUTITAN piping technology. Firstly, to start with some disclaimers and notes, to be eligible for fire sprinkler installations with REHAU, you must be a licensed plumber or sprinkler installer, have completed the RAUTITAN water training on myREHAU.com, refer to the installation guidelines for the correct assembly techniques of RAUTITAN water piping systems, comply with the requirements of the relevant standards including the National Construction Code, FPAA 101D and AS/NZS 3500, as well as any state or territory specific requirements. As from May 2019, the National Construction Code requires all new Class 2 and 3 residential buildings with a rise in stories of 4 or more and an effective height of 25 metres or less to have automatic fire sprinklers installed under the deemed to satisfy provisions. For the aforementioned building types, the NCC references a new type of fire sprinkler system as defined by the standard FPAA 101D. This type of system draws water from the drinking water supply of the residential building and as such requires PEX pipe and fittings to be watermarked to AS2492 and AS/NZS 2537. REHAU once again has the solution which meets the requirements for these installations. Approved system components. REHAU's RAUTITAN Platinum and Red pipe, as well as RAUTITAN brass and gunmetal fittings and PXSR fittings and sleeves comply with the relevant requirements and are suitable for fire sprinkler systems as defined by the standard FPAA 101D. RAUTITAN Stabil or RAUTITAN Gas Stabil pipe, however, do not comply with the specific material requirements and are not permitted for use in fire sprinkler systems. Installation and operation. RAUTITAN systems for fire sprinkler installations must be planned, calculated, installed and operated according to FPAA 101D. The complete RAUTITAN system for fire sprinkler installations is designed for installations in new buildings and for carrying out renovations and repairs. It is suitable for use as a fire sprinkler system throughout the entire Class 2 and 3 residential building with a rise in story of 4 or more and an effective height of 25 metres or less. This includes some Class 2 and 3 residential buildings with partial non-residential use. For details, refer to the National Construction Code 2019. System identification. FPAA 101D does not explicitly state requirements for identification of the fire sprinkler system. Should a particular project require marking or pipe identification, we recommend that the marking or labelling be non-adhesive or approved by the manufacturer for contact with PEX material. Commissioning procedure. When RAUTITAN is installed in a system conforming to FPAA 101D, to be in alignment with our commissioning procedure for fire sprinkler systems, it is compulsory to completely flush the system and confirm flow at each sprinkler connection point. As such, the complete RAUTITAN fire system procedure is as follows. A. Completely flush all supply piping before connection is made to the sprinkler piping. In addition, completely flush the sprinkler piping network and confirm flow at each sprinkler connection point prior to the connection of sprinklers. B. Test system piping hydrostatically at a pressure of 1500 kPa for no less than 30 minutes. Thanks for taking the time to review the myREHAU training for automatic fire sprinkler connections with REHAU RAUTITAN piping systems. For more information or training about fire protection, contact our dedicated sales or engineering team. Visit myREHAU.com for further info on our blogs, downloads and online training resources. Follow us on social media for news and updates. Check out the FPAA website and complete the myREHAU Fire Sprinkler quiz for your fire sprinkler training certificate.